Today, I am reviewing the Splitvolt NEMA 10 to 3024 amp EV splitter switch. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Right out of the box, the build quality feels heavy-duty and reassuringly solid. When you are dealing with high-voltage appliances and vehicle charging, you do not want cheap, flimsy plastic hardware. This unit has an industrial-grade feel to it, and crucially, it is cETLus certified. This certification is incredibly important for peace of mind because it means the device has been independently tested to meet strict safety standards. It shows that it is not just some unverified gadget, but a real electrical safety device meant to handle continuous heavy loads inside a home. The concept behind the Splitvolt is simple, but incredibly brilliant. Most homes built before 1996 have a standard NEMA 10-30 outlet for the clothes dryer, which provides 240 volts of power. This is the exact type of high-voltage power a Level 2 electric vehicle charger needs. Instead of paying an electrician to run a completely new wire from your breaker panel, the Splitvolt plugs directly into your existing dryer outlet. The device itself then provides two separate outlets on its housing, one for your clothes dryer and one for your electric vehicle charger. The real magic is in the automatic power switching technology. The device is programmed to prioritize your clothes dryer. Whenever you turn your dryer on to do a load of laundry, the Splitvolt instantly detects the power draw and automatically cuts power to the electric vehicle outlet. This ensures your home wiring is never overloaded by trying to run both high-power devices at the exact same time. The moment your dryer finishes its cycle and stops drawing power, the Splitvolt automatically switches the power back over to your electric vehicle charger, allowing your car to resume fast charging. It is a completely hands-off, seamless experience. You do not have to manually flip any switches, unplug cables, or coordinate your schedule. You just plug everything in once and let the box handle the logistics. In terms of setup, calling this a plug-and-play device is an absolute understatement. It took me less than 5 minutes to get everything up and running. There is absolutely no wiring, no tools, and zero electrical knowledge required. You simply turn off the breaker for your dryer outlet, unplug your dryer, plug the Splitvolt unit into that wall outlet, and then plug both your dryer and your EV charger into the designated sockets on the Splitvolt box. Once you turn the breaker back on, you are fully operational. It completely bypasses the need for an electrician, saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars on day one. Performance has been absolutely flawless. My electric vehicle now charges at full level 2 speeds, which is roughly 5 to 7 times faster than standard wall charging. I can easily top off my battery overnight while I sleep, which completely eliminates any range anxiety. One of my favorite features on the unit is the built-in digital display screen. This display shows real-time power usage, which allows you to monitor exactly how many amps and volts your car is pulling during a charging session. It adds a great layer of visibility so you can verify that everything is running smoothly. Safety is clearly a massive focus for this product. Beyond the automatic switching logic, the Splitvolt features an internal safety circuit breaker. This breaker is specifically designed to protect your home wiring from exceeding the 24 amp maximum safe charging rate required by the National Electrical Code for a 30 amp circuit. If your vehicle or charger ever tries to draw too much current, the internal breaker will trip right on the device, protecting your house wires from overheating or creating a fire hazard. Before purchasing this specific model, you do need to do one very important check. You must look at your existing dryer plug and wall outlet to make sure it matches the NEMA 10-30 configuration, which is a 3-prong outlet with 2 angled flat blades and 1 L-shaped pin. Splitvolt makes different models for different outlet types, so taking a quick look at your wall plug before ordering ensures you get the exact right fit. Overall, the Splitvolt splitter switch is an absolute game changer for new electric vehicle owners. It is a safe, certified, and incredibly intelligent solution that provides high-speed home charging without the financial headache of traditional electrical upgrades. It has performed perfectly, saved me a massive amount of money, and made owning an electric vehicle incredibly convenient. It gets a highly enthusiastic recommendation from me.